Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about
the previous gate question.
right. Next question, let's see here. A star connected 400 volts 50 Hz 4-pole synchronous machine. What is the voltage? The given star connected, in that line voltage is equals to 400 volts. So what is the phase voltage for this? The phase voltage is equals to, for this, the phase voltage is equals to 231 volts. How it will be? 400 divided by root 3 is around 431 volts. Yeah. OC and SC test are given below. OC and SC test are given below. EOC is equals to 400 volts or VOC is equals to 231 volts. This is the line voltage. This is the phase voltage. Right. At this condition, the field current is 2.3 amperes. The next, short circuit current 10 amperes. Short circuit current 10 amperes. At this condition, field current is 1.5 amperes. For example, I am taking here the field current at rated voltage is taken as IFOC. The field current at rated current taken as IFSC. The field current at rated current taken as IFSC. Then after, generally the synchronous impedance ZS is equals to EOC by ISC. Its value 23.1 ohms. EOC by ISC, its value 23.1 ohms. 23.1 ohms. Right? What is this value? This is the value of 231. This is the value of 231. So ZS or ZSC, the short circuit impedance, 23.1 ohms. What he asked? The per phase synchronous impedance. The per phase synchronous impedance they want. So generally this is the base value. Actually this is the impedance, base impedance. Because of rated values, this is taken as the base impedance. But I want the per phase impedance. How? What is the formula? The formula is that per unit value is equals to actual value by base value. Per unit value is equals to actual value by base value. What is the actual impedance? Actual impedance is equals to per unit impedance multiplied by base impedance. Actual impedance is equals to per unit impedance multiplied by base impedance. Now tell me, what is our answer? This is the base impedance. Now we have to find out the per unit impedance. How, sir? How we can find out the per unit impedance? And generally we know SCR, the short circuit ratio, is equals to IFOC by IFSC. IFOC divided by IFSC is SCR. But this SCR is equals to 1 by per unit impedance. SCR is equals to 1 by per unit impedance. Now tell me, what is per unit impedance? The per unit impedance is equals to IFSC by IFOC. That is equals to, what is the field current required to rated armature current? Rated armature current 1.5, rated open circuit voltage 2.3. To get the rated open circuit voltage, the field current 2.3, then we can get this value 0.65 per unit. How much it is? 0.65 per unit. This is the base impedance and this is the per unit impedance. Base impedance and the per unit impedance. Now I want the actual impedance. Tell me the answer fast. Calculate it. So actual impedance Z actual is equals to Z per unit multiplied by Z per unit multiplied by how much Z phase? 23.1 ohms. 23.1 ohms. If you calculate this value, the actual impedance per phase is 15.06 ohms. 15.06 ohms is our final answer. So what I done? Actually, we have to find out the per unit impedance. We have to find out the actual impedance. For that, we have to find out per unit impedance and base impedance. If we have a per unit impedance and base impedance multiplied by per unit impedance with base impedance, we can get the actual impedance. So how we can find out the base impedance? With given values, base values, rated values. EOC by ISC gives us base impedance. Then after per unit impedance is equals to 1 by SCR, then we can get the per unit impedance. If multiplied this both, then we can get the actual impedance, which is our answer.